What is the OWD? Setup, administer, security controllers, sharing settings. On a customer object, what is the OWD we have taken? Private. Now log into the Wilson. Now I am logging into Wilson. First see which records the Wilson is able to see first. Wilson is not able to see any records. Which records the Wilson is able to see? Wilson is not able to see any records. Wilson is not able to see any records. Now I am giving what is the role of Wilson? Go to Wilson. What is the role we give for Wilson? Recruiting. What is the role of Satish? Now Wilson is not able to see any records, right? Wilson is not able to see any record. So what I'm doing, go to security controllers, sharing settings. Then I'm going to scroll down. OWD is private. If you scroll down, what are you finding here? Sharing. Scroll down. When you scroll down, you'll be finding here. Scroll down. You're finding customer sharing rules. What are you finding here? Customer sharing rules. In the customer sharing rules, new sharing rule. CO sharing rules. Then I'm going to take based on record owner, based on credit. Now I'm giving based on record owner. All the records which are owned by the role CEO are shared with the users whose role is recruiting manager. Who is having a role of CEO? Satish. Who is having a role of recruiting manager? Wilson. I am granting those records with what access? Read access. So I have defined a sharing rule to share the records of CEO with recruiting manager. Now it takes some time to update. It's done already. Okay. Go back to Wilson. When you said all, right now Wilson is able to see every record which are owned by. Now when I click on edit or delete, it says insufficient privilege. If I try to edit, why? Because I told only read permission. So records owned by the CEO are shared with your recruiting manager. It is what? Owner based sharing rule. Records owned by these. Look at the condition once again. Sharing rules. Records owned by public group or role and subordinate. In case if I create any queue also will come. They are shared with public group, role or subordinate. With what access? Read or write access. I hope you are good with this. So tomorrow if I feel I should not share the records, what I will do? Delete the sharing. If you delete the sharing rules, access will be deleted. Now I have criteria based. What do you mean by criteria based? I am going to give a condition. So let us go back and see the records. Phone number, type personal. Okay. Now I'm going to define criteria. What is the criteria? Sharing rules. You. Based on criteria. Where I said type equals to corporate. If type equal to corporate, share the records with read and write access. So I have defined a condition. Records which are meeting that condition, I share with the role call open manager. Now go to this guy. Previously was he able to see all the records. Now I removed the sharing rule. Now he was able to see only corporate records, and he can perform read and write access. I hope you are good with this. Am I clear? So they are called as criteria based sharing. So owner based sharing rule and criteria based sharing. This is what we have seen in the last session. Now the third type of sharing rule what we have is manual sharing rule. Now if I want to share particular record, I don't want to share a group of record, I want to share a particular record. A single record I want to share with a group of people. When you want to share a particular record, then we go for manual sharing rule. Look at this point. Go to the record. This particular record I want to share. Go to the record. What are you finding here? Share. Click on the share. Add. Then share the record with the public group, role and subordinate, and also user. I told share with Wilson. So that particular record is shared with Wilson. So go to Wilson. Previously he was able to see only 2 records. Now he is able to see 3 records. So what is the meaning of manual sharing? When you want to share a particular record with any group of people, then you go for manual. Criteria based, owner based is automated sharing rule. So all the records which are owned by me, today there are 4 records. Tomorrow I may own 10 records. So all the records which are owned by me, they will be automatically shared with this guy. Tomorrow if I add 2 more records to my name, automatically they will also be shared. Criteria based. So whichever the records are meeting the condition, they will be shared with the user. Now tomorrow, if 10 records are meeting the condition, 10 records. Are you getting my point? It is a criteria based. They are automated. Owner based or criteria based is called automated sharing rule. Now when you say manual sharing rule, what are you doing? You are going to a particular record, sharing that particular record with the people. Manual sharing rule means you are going to a particular record, sharing that record with a group of people. Manual sharing. You are going to a particular record, sharing. Only that record is shared, which is called manual sharing rule. I hope you are good with this. Then we have next one, Apex based sharing. That is shared with programmatically. That is shared with programmatically. Let us say I have a record like this. In the record, I have given like this: name, so whichever the person I am choosing as a manager here, the record should be shared with that guy. Whichever the user I am selecting as a manager here, record should be shared with that guy. Whom are you going to select? Are you knowing? Do you know whom you are going to select? Everybody is going to select same person? No. Person to person, record to record, the manager will change. That is the reason I cannot share it with the manual sharing or owner based sharing or criteria based sharing. I have to write a program to share this record. That is how we are going for Apex based sharing rule. Are you clear? right? Owner based means I am sharing with records which are owned by this guy to particular role. Now I am saying not to a particular role, to a particular person you have to share. If you want to share with a particular person, I can go to the record, click on the record and share. But I am saying not always to Satish. Whichever the user I am going to select here, to that user record should be saved, which cannot be achieved without programming. That is the reason we go for Apex based sharing rule. So tell me what are the sharing rules we have? Criteria based sharing rule, owner based sharing rule, manual sharing rule, and Apex based sharing rule. I hope you are clear. Have you received hard copies? Sharing rules are received, right? Okay. If you are absent, don't ask me. Go and talk to office boy. He'll give you. Right? Copies are given, right? OWDs are given. Okay. Now I hope all the 4 conditions are clear. So sharing rules. When are you going to use the sharing rules? When you want to give extra permissions apart from what user is getting through OWD. Now you decide how the access will be given. Look at the point. I'll give you some scenarios. You tell me how you give. Now, I'll give you a few scenarios. Tell me how you achieve this. Let me take some small names here. Right. So these people have, this group of people have cloud profile. Manager profile. Sales executive. Sales manager. Right. Now, user role. What is the name of the user? What is the role of the user? Now I'll give executive, sales manager, Now, if people have the same role, doesn't mean that if two people have same role doesn't mean that they have same profile. This is how we got it. Now I have a data. We have now I have this is the data what I have. Right, boss? Now, what is my requirement? My requirement is the records which are created by the executive, only those executives should see the record. Only the records which are created by the executive, they should see the records, others should not see. This is the first requirement. Look at the overall requirement. Executives only see. Executives can see those records whose status is sales managers should be able to see. Executive records. Sales managers be able to see other sales executive. Data access. Sales managers should see all closed Sham Wilson A should perform read it read Kavya India every record A B C read edit delete on every record of database. So this is the complete requirement. From this complete requirement, you are supposed to analyze what should be the OWD, then how you give the extra permissions, That's your choice. Then Sham I gave. Okay. Then again I have Sham, Ram, Kiran. Should not delete any record. This is the complete requirement. From this requirement, you are supposed to analyze what is the OWD we have to give, how we are going to grant extra permissions. Now, let us start doing one by one. What is the first one? Executives can only see, can only see their records. Now, if only you can see your records, other records are not visible. If you can see only your records, other records are not visible, what is the condition I have to take? I have to take OWD as now OWD is pivoted. Rest all the things I have to give as extra permissions. Now what is that? Executive should see, executive should see executive should see all the open records. Executive should see all the open records. Then how will you create? OWD is private. You cannot see others' data. Then I have to go for criteria based rule. What is the criteria based rule? Put everyone, if status is open, share those records with the users whose role is executive. Share with the users whose role is executive. Sales manager should be able to see all executives' record. Why? I can go to role hierarchy, right? Grant access using role hierarchy. So sales manager can see sales executive data. Grant access using role hierarchy. Sales manager should be able to see all other sales executive, all other sales manager data. Sales manager should be able to see all other sales manager data. How will you see? Now people who are at the same level, they cannot see each other data. I can only see subordinate data. I cannot see the data which is at the same level. I am a manager, you are a manager. You cannot see my data, I cannot see your data. Both of us can see our subordinate data. You can see the subordinate, I can see the subordinate. You can see the subordinate, I can see the subordinate, but each of us cannot see each other's data. But I told sales manager should be able to see other sales managers' records. How it is possible? Records which are owned by the sales manager are shared with the users whose role is sales manager. Right? It is what? Owner based sharing rule. Let us go to the next one. Sham, Wilson and A should perform read, edit, delete on every record of the object. So all the three people belongs to same profile. Delete permission will not come with OWD. Delete permission will not come with OWD. So obviously I have to go with modify all. If I want to get a delete permission, I have to go with the modify all. Now all these three people belongs to same profile. Sham, Wilson, A, they belongs to three different profiles. So what should I do? Go to permission set, create a permission called modify all, then give that permission to Sham, Wilson, A. They will get delete permission, read, edit on every record. Then what is it? Kavya, Divya, Shavya should see every record in the object with read access. Now Kavya, Divya, Shavya, any common functionality for them? All the three belongs to same profile. Now I can go to their profile and enable view all permission. View all on the object. ABC should perform read, edit, delete on every record of the database. ABC should perform read, edit, delete on every record of database. So go to profile and enable modify all data. Sham, Ram, Kiran should not delete any record. So these people should not get a delete permission. So go to profile, disable delete option. If you disable the delete on object, obviously they don't get delete permission on object. Are you getting? So first, what is the primary point? OWD. Then after going for a OWD, then you see how you can give extra permission. First you have to decide what is the OWD. Why did I define OWD as private here? Executives are not able to see others' data. So obviously OWD is private. Then what are we doing? Owner based sharing rule, criteria based sharing rule, profile level view all, and profile level modify all data permission set. I hope you are good with this. People are good with this requirement. People are good with this requirement. Am I clear, Amma? Am I clear with this? So let me give you one more. HRXE2. And can see only the when status is all the executives can see. Then when status is closed, all the users can see the data except when status is RAM was performed. So do this operation. So what is the choice that we have now? HR executive can create new openings and can see only the opening that she created. So what is the OWD? Why are you giving private? Because she was able to see the openings what she has created. So OWD is private. Then how do you achieve the next one? How do you achieve the next one? When status is changed to open, then all the HR executives can see. When status is changed to open, then all the HR executives can see. So when status is open, share with the roll call HR executives. When status is closed, all the users can see the record except Wilson and Kavya. When status is closed, everyone should see except Wilson and Kavya. Then what will I do? Create a public group. Include everyone in the group except Wilson and Kavya. Except A, Wilson and Kavya. Except these three people, put everyone in the public group. Then share the record with the public group. When status equal to closed, share them with the public group. In the public group, who is there? Everyone is there except A, Wilson, Kavya. When status is pending, Ram, Divya, B should be see the record. Then what will you do? Will they have same role? No. Does they belongs to same profile? No. Then what was their condition? Create a public group. Include Divya, Ram and B and say when status is pending, share with this public group. right? Faraz should see every record and perform read edit operation. Only Faraz. So what should I do? Go to permission set, grant access of, modify all, and share it. Are you clear? Or else I didn't give a delete permission here. So create a separate public group, add a Faraz in that group, and say share every record with this Faraz. Are you clear? Include every user in one public group, include Faraz in another public group. Records owned by this public group should be shared with this public group. Who is there in that public group? Only Faraz. Right? So we have to analyze in this way. Take the combinations and analyze all the topics. So what are the three combinations we have seen? Record level, OWD, profile level, and anything you want to give extra, you'll go with the permission set. For a particular user, if you want to give permission set, we already seen. We give for a profile. Now profile will be given for a group of people. For a specific person, any extra permission? Permission set. So record level, profile level, permission set, then sharing rules. What type of sharing rules? Owner based, creditor based, manual sharing, and Apex based sharing. I hope you are good with this. Clear for everyone? Everyone is good? Okay. Now we have some special conditions. What are those special conditions? Account teams, opportunity teams, account teams, opportunity teams. Then we have territory management. These are the three extra conditions what we have. Am I right? Look at this. As of now, anyone has any query from your end? As of now, anyone has any query? Now, what are the permissions we have seen? Look at this one. Record level. OWD we have seen. Role hierarchy we have seen. Sharing rules we have seen. Profile level permissions we have seen. What else we have? Account teams, opportunity teams, territories. Same. All the three will be same. Territories is the next level concept. Okay. People are good with this concept. Right, Amma? Okay. Now,
Sir, are those the exercises that we have to do that you gave this exams?
can you ask me at the end of the class?
Okay.
Now, let's go for the next one. What we are doing? We are going for account teams, opportunity teams, and case teams. Now, first one we are going with account teams. Now, we are creating a queue. When a group of people want to share a workload, we are saying it's a queue. But a queue cannot be created on account opportunity. You cannot create a queue on account and opportunity. For an account, a particular person should be a owner. Team cannot be a owner. For an opportunity, a particular person should be a owner. Now, if I say any one of you do it, no one will do. Account and opportunity is what? Already they are customers to me. Already they are a customer. If you say an inquiry, any one of you can handle it. But already inquiry is converted into a customer. So there should be a specified person assigned to you. When you're making a telecalling, I can give, boss, your team make a call to these phone numbers. Any one of you can make a call. Depends upon the availability. But once you converted into a customer, you opened an account in the bank, who will call you? Your corresponding personal relation officer will call you. Right? You will have some personal relation manager, he will call you. Are you getting my point? So if you are a customer, if you are an account, if you are an opportunity, you will have a user as a owner. You will never be a owner. Are you getting my point? Okay. Listen to the context. Listen to the example, everyone. Now, tell me some movie name which is releasing, boss. What is that? What is your name, boss? Let us say some ABC movie. Now, my company is a event management company. Captain Info Solution is a event management company. Event management company. That ABC movie people gave me a contract to promote their movie. They gave me a contract. Now, this ABC company gave a contract. to promote their movie. Now, from my company, I appointed Satish. Boss, you are responsible for maintaining their promotion event. So who got the responsibility? Satish was given a responsibility. So who is he? Satish is the owner for this record. From Capital Info Solution, they assigned Satish, you are the responsible person for maintaining the entire process. They may have a number of sub-processes, but you are the point of contact for handling everything. Now, Satish alone, he cannot do the complete campaign. Now they want some teaser to be released, some audio function they want, some, what was that? Some success meet, okay. Success movie event before movie only, okay. Now, success meet, okay. Then some mob dance they want to conduct. Some they want to organize some TV shows. Some controversies also. Right. Some controversies. Now these are the event includes these activities. The event includes the activity. Now Satish is the point of contact. Now I alone cannot take care about this. Now they gave me an opportunity called audio function. When they gave me an opportunity called audio function, there will be a decoration, there will be hosting the lunch or post the party, or maybe arrangements, maybe hospitality, XYZ are there. I alone cannot organize everything. I am not a Rajinikanth, right? So I can organize only one thing at a time. So what I will do? I was supposed to organize this. Then I formed a team. Okay, I formed a team. Boss, who is the owner of the record? Satish is the owner of the record. But he formed a team. So now, what is the opportunity? Now they gave me opportunity 1, some audio function. Opportunity 1, audio function. Now this is the opportunity what they give me. This is the company gave me a business. Now for this company, these are the events what I am going to perform. For these events I told, boss, any decorations, stage decorations, this team you have to take care. I found a team and told, boss ABC, you are responsible for maintaining the stage decoration or anything on the stage, you are responsible. Now I gave this. Boss, you people are responsible for hospitality. Right. Now I told, boss, you people are responsible for media coverage. Now, who is the owner of the account? Satish is the owner of the account. But he alone cannot do, because a lot of business is coming from this account. A lot of business is happening on this account. I alone cannot handle it. So I formed a team. And I told, boss, team member ABC, you will have the stage decoration. Team member XYZ, you have hospitality. Team member, MNO, you are responsible for media coverage. So what I'm doing, it is a group of people wrapped together, sharing the workload and giving a better performance. Right? Are you getting my point? So these people become what? Team member. Now for this team member I'm giving, boss, you have read access. Boss, on this record you have read and write. On this record you have read and write. When I say read and write on this record, for this company you have read and write. So you will be getting access on all the contacts, all the opportunities. For this company, what are the events are there? There are opportunities for me. ABC company is giving me opportunity for what? Teaser release, audio function, success meet, mob dance, TV shows, some controversies. These are the 6 opportunities. Now they are saying, boss, on this account you have read access. On the corresponding opportunities you have read access. On this account you have read access. Corresponding opportunities read and write. So if I am making you as a team member on the account, the corresponding account will have opportunities and contacts. Account is a parent, it will have contacts and opportunities. On the corresponding contacts and opportunities also, you will get access. Are you getting my point here? If I make you as a team member on the account record, on the corresponding contacts and opportunities, also you will get access. Not only contacts, opportunities, complaints, what they raised also, you have to take care. So cases. Are you getting my point? On account, can I make a team as a owner? No. A single user will be a owner. But if you want a team of people to work on, get access, create them as team members. So if I create you as a team member, you will be able to get access on the corresponding contacts and opportunities and cases. I hope you are good with this. Granting access on my child records. Granting access on me and my child record. On which object is this? Account object. If I make you as a account team member, you will be able to access that account's contacts, opportunities and cases. But I have to tell what type of access is this. So every team member will have a role to play and access on the corresponding child records. Let us see this now. Setup. Build. Customize. Accounts. What did you find? So account team helps to multiple users to better collaborate for providing better services. Enable account teams. By default, it is not available. You have to enable it. Add them to page layout. You decide your team roles. You can define your own team roles. It's a pick list. If you are happy with what is existing, it's okay. Then go to account. Go to account record. Scroll down. What we have? This account has contacts, opportunities, cases. Go to account team. Choose the member. We'll listen as account team member. Now, if I make as a account team member on this account, what are you getting? Read. Opportunity, case. I made this member as account team member. So you are able to get access on the corresponding opportunities, contacts and cases. Are you clear about this? Am I clear? Just go to the teams, add a user. Now, Satish, whenever he is conducting an event, every time he has a fixed team. You don't have a separate team for every record. He has a fixed team. Whichever the event I am organizing, for me I have a fixed team. So I can create my default team. I can create my own default team. If I create my own default team, simply I can say add default team. So every user can have its own default team. How will you create the default team? Setup, administer, manage users, go to the user, scroll down. So what we have? Account default teams. Default, account. You create your own default team. Now you are creating your own default team. Then what I can do? Go to the account and say add my default team. I hope you are good with this. So what is that? If you want a group of people to collaborate and work on a particular account, then we create account teams. If you want a group of people to collaborate and work on an account, we'll go with the account teams. And every team member will have a role, and account team member will have access to the corresponding accounts, contacts, opportunities, cases. Everyone has followed this? Clear? Let me give you critical information about it. I hope everyone has followed this point. Come again? Obviously. No. Programmatically I can do it. You can go with the programmatically. On account, we can have only user as owner. If you want group of users is to collaborate to work more effectively. If you want a group of users to collaborate and work more effectively, if you want a group of users to collaborate and work more effectively, then we use every account team member role. Account team member get access on that account corresponding child contacts account team member will get access on account account record and corresponding child contacts, opportunities and cases. Every user can have one default account team. Steps to enable account teams. Set up customize account teams enable. Add them to enable and add them to page layout. Set up, build, customize account teams, enable and add them to page layout. Then how do you test it? Open any one of the account record, detail page, select team member, then how do you create a default team member? How do you create a default teams? How to create account default teams? Set up. How do you create? Set up. Next we had administer, set up, administer. Then we had users, then we have account defaulting. Add the users. I hope this concept is clear, right? Account will have only one owner, but if you want a group of people to collaborate and work, then we'll create a team and add them. What is the team called? Account team. If you are a member of the team member on this particular account, you will be getting the access to the corresponding child contacts, opportunities and cases. I hope I'm clear with this. Right. So let us go to the next one. Opportunity team member. Same story. Opportunity team member. It is called team selling. So let me give an example here. Let us see. I have a understand this point. Now we are going to understand opportunity teams. Try to understand my point. This is different teams in my company. Right. Now, these are the different, these people are working for, let's say, Hyundai company. These are the representatives of Hyundai company or Talwar, some Talwar Motors. Now, a customer came to me. He told he want to purchase some vehicle. A customer came to me and he told he want to purchase some vehicle. When you want to purchase some vehicle, you want to purchase a car. Showroom is supposed to sell a car. Right. Car. For selling the car, we have a representative. Now, there is a team. This guy want a car. He want on the top of this car, he wants some accessories. Some accessories or some interior. Some accessories. Okay, spare parts. And also you want some insurance. Some you want to have this thing. But when you are purchasing the car, there is a separate team. This team is responsible for selling the vehicles. These people are responsible for selling the spare parts. These people is responsible for insurance. Service and accessories. Service and accessories this team is doing. This people is responsible for sales. This people is for. But customer came to the showroom. Now he will not speak to these people. Am I right? Now who will speak? He will speak with a guy called A, because my primary aim is to purchase a car. Now I will not go and speak to insurance guy in the showroom. I will not go and speak to spare accessory guys in the showroom. I will go and talk to the sales representative who will sell the vehicles. I sold. Okay, I spoke. After taking the car, now what happened? The Sham may go for accessories, may go for insurance. Now let us say I am taking a car loan. Now my bank says, boss, as I am giving the loan, take the car insurance from the bank only. Then I will not take the insurance from the showroom. I will take the insurance from the bank. Right. Now somebody want to take a high-end vehicle, no extra accessories are required, everything is coming along with the vehicle. Now you don't want to go with any extra accessories. You want to go with just a vehicle, what is given by the company. Now, whether he's going to go for accessories or insurance is his choice. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Now customer told, boss, I want to purchase, let us say, I want to purchase a Creta vehicle. Okay, I want to purchase a Creta vehicle, some XYZ vehicle I want to purchase with, I want to fit every accessories. I want like a footer or rail, everything I want to put. I want to put some extra accessories and I also want the insurance. And I'm saying, boss, don't tell me separately, tell me what is the final price. Now, sales guy, when he is coming, he will not say, I will only tell about the car price. You speak regarding the accessories to this guy. No, it is not like that, right? So what is that? They make a team now. When you say, boss, I want a car with accessories with insurance. Now what this guy will do? A. Who is the owner of this opportunity? Who is the owner of this opportunity? So A is the owner. Now what A will do? A will form a team. Team with A, X. A, I am selling a vehicle. Okay, let us say 14 lakhs. Now accessories, let us say 3 lakhs. Now insurance, let us say 30,000. All together it is coming 17.3 lakhs. Now it is an opportunity of 17.3 lakhs. Total opportunity 17.3 lakhs. Out of this opportunity, I am dealing with only 14 lakhs. And X is dealing with only 3 lakhs. M is dealing with only 30,000. So we as a team formed selling multiple sections to a single customer. Now the Sham will not speak to A, X, Y, M. He only speaks to A. Boss, you tell me a final price. You are the representative. You tell me what is the final price for which I can get. Then A will take the responsibility and form the team and give the position. But who is the person who is closing this opportunity? A. But he is making a team sale. When you are selling a team, the 3 lakhs will go to X. Now A will have a target, M will have a target, X will have a target. In the company, every executive will have a target. Sales representative will have a target of 1 crore. Accessories guy may have a target of 10 lakhs. Insurance guy may have a target of 3 lakhs. Everybody will have their own target. Now, X brought the opportunity, okay, for which we require some accessories which are supported by M, which are supported by X, insurance supported by M. So when you make a 70 lakhs sales, 7.3 lakhs sale, 14 lakhs will be coming to the target of A, 3 lakhs will be coming to the target of X, and 30,000 will be coming to the target of M. Are you getting my point? Now what is this called? Team sale. Team selling. Now this is team selling. Are you getting my point? So who is the owner? Tomorrow if something goes wrong, now I will not call X or M, I will call A. Because this is the primary point for me. So opportunity will have only one user, but he may form a team to provide sales. This is one of the example. Are you getting my point? If I am only responsible for everything, I will only make a single. I am the owner, I am dealing it close. You are the owner of the record, but the services what he is requesting, some of them you are not handling. Then you have to talk to those people, form a team and give it. I hope you are good with this. Right? Now, it's just like this. You are joining for a Salesforce. Now, we are asking for a Salesforce. You are asking admin, development, integration, lightning, and some project explanation. Now, all these are handled by Satish. Now, you told, boss, I also want to learn Oracle along with this. Then I say, I will not handle, I will form a team. Satish and Ravi is a team where Ravi will give Oracle, Satish will give Salesforce. Now, whatever the courses you have joined for Salesforce, that is my target. Oracle is Ravi's target. Are you getting? Now, if you are asking for only Salesforce, then no need of forming any team. I alone will handle it. I require a team if require services from multiple people. Are you clear about this context? I hope everyone has followed this concept. This is called as what? Team sale. Team selling. So how do you enable it? Once again, everyone has followed this. Concept is clear? Clear? Now, this guy is not a owner, but still he requires access to this record. M is not the owner, but still require access to M. OWD says Praveen. That means only owner can see. Now who can see? X can also see, M can also see. That is how we are getting extra access on the record. So look at the point. Setup, build, customize, opportunities, opportunity, teams. What is this? Enable, team cell. So when you're making a team cell, your opportunity amount is split into team members. This member is dealing with how much amount of money. This person is dealing with how much amount of money. Because there are multiple service. For this service, what is the amount? For this service, what is the amount? Who is handling this? Okay. Now enable opportunity teams. Go to opportunities. Opportunity. Who is a member? Right? I hope you're good with this. I hope you're good with this. So account teams and opportunity teams. Opportunity team is at what? Teams. Then next important topic. What is the next important topic? Territory management. Now what is this territory management? Let me give you one more example. Understand the concept clearly. So try to get the point clearly. Right, like this, number of regions are there. Bangalore, right. Now, this guy want a Tata Sky connection. This user is looking for a Tata Sky connection. When Sam made a call to customer care and told, I am looking for a Tata Sky connection, will the Tata Sky team members will come and give the connection? No. So what they will have? They will have some things. Now, from which area you are calling? Hyderabad. Okay. So in the Hyderabad Ujjona, Amirpet or Asanagar. If you say Amirpet, okay. Your request is sent to the Amirpet team. Now SR Nagar team will not be seeing that you made a request. Only Amripet people will be seeing it. Right. Now somebody from Whitefield made a call to Tata Sky people and told, I'm looking for a Tata Sky connection. Then they told which area it belongs to, which is near BTM or Martali. Now I told Martali is near to me. Then your request is sent to the Martali team. Martali team will handle it. Now will the BTM people see it? No use. No, there is no use in showing that record to BTM people. Now you need to, these people need to travel almost 45 to 1 hour to reach the Martali to give you the connection. Now instead of that, I can give to the people who are in the Martali, probably it takes 10 minutes for them to reach Whitefield. Right. So I am sharing the data based on what? Region wise. Now somebody from Delhi made a call and told, I am looking for a Tata Sky connection. Now the request will not give it to Hyderabad again. Boss, take a flight to Delhi, give a Tata Sky connection, come back. Right? It will not happen, right? So what they are doing, when you make a request, they are segregating the customers based on the region. They are segregating the request based on the region, based on the territory. Boss, request, which city, which city, which zone, which place, assign to the team. The team will take care of it. So how their data is distributed? Data is distributed as per the region. Now this team will be able to see all the connections which are in Amripet, all the requests which are there in Amripet. Now the team members will take, I will handle this response, I will handle this case, I will not handle this case. They will distribute it. Now the guy who are working for Hyderabad, complete Hyderabad team will be there. Now this will be able to see entire data. All the customers, these are the head of all the zones in Hyderabad, they will take it. Now the people who are in the region of Amripet, they will only see the data of Amripet customers. Right? When a customer is coming, if the customer belongs to Amripet, then I have customers like Amripet, Ram, Kiran. These are the customers. This customer data is visible to the members of this Amripet. So the data of that region is accessible to the members of that region. Who are the members? Users of your company, employees of your company. That may be external employee or internal employee. That may be external employee or internal employee. Now, the account is nothing but a customer. Customers of that region are visible to the members of that region. Who are the members? Employees of your organization. Right. How the data is distributed? According to the territory they are distributed. Members of the territory will be able to access the records of the territory. Now, this is available only for account and opportunity, not for every object. Account team is available for only account. Opportunity team is available for only opportunity. Like that, territory management is available for only account and opportunity objects. Right? So, accounts of the territory are accessible to the users of the territory. Accounts of the territory is accessible to the users of the territory. All the users of this territory can see every record of this territory. You may not be a owner. Your role may be different, but you will be able to see this. So records are shared based on territory basis. Are you getting? Like how we got OWD role hierarchy, similarly here also territory hierarchy is there. So now South Indian people, South Indian heads can see Hyderabad data and Hyderabad data, Bangalore data, Chennai data. Hyderabad people can see SR Nagar data, Amripet data. SR Nagar people can see their subordinate data. It's also hierarchy. So India heads can see, okay, North Indian, South Indian data. South Indian people can see Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai. Hyderabad people can see SR Nagar, Amripet. Amripet people cannot see Hyderabad data or other places data. Top to bottom hierarchy. So what is that? Data is classified based on territory. Data is classified based on territory. As per that, it is going. When you go for a mass sale, when you are going for a mass sale, territory management will be there. Like I told you, Tata Sky. Now I cannot run an algorithm to assign to somebody. If I assign to somebody, algorithm will run, assign to somebody, okay, it will assign somebody to who is not near to me. Now there is a reason customers are classified as per the regions and they are distributed. Now when you go for a postpaid connections, your telecom services, like your Tata Sky example, okay, Tata Sky or otherwise roadside assistance, insurance policies. They're based on what? Territory. Now I told I'm looking for a loan. When I told I'm looking for a loan, will the call will go to some XYZ? Now they make a call and they assign to the local branch of guy and say, boss, you go to collect the documents. He's looking for a loan. You made an inquiry to head office. Now they will assign the responsibility to somebody from that region to take care of it. Are you getting my point? Clear? People have got the story. Am I clear with the story? Now look at this, how you create. Setup. Administer. Territory management. Settings. Enable. Then we are dealing with only what? Account access. Now, if I choose this, members of the territory can access accounts and edit accounts. If I choose this, members of the territory can perform, edit or transfer or delete on the accounts. You want to define any assignment rules, you can do it based on Apex. Territory types, I told. North Indian Territory. Right. Under this territory, I am creating some models. Territories I have created. Model of Hyderabad. Okay. Now we are going with some Chennai, territory Chennai. What was this? View. So we want to see the territory model of Chennai. Under the Chennai, I am creating Tambaram. And this belongs to which type? So, in the South Indian Territory, we have Chennai. Under the Chennai, we have Tambaram. Now, what is this? Users of this Tambaram can perform what? View, edit, delete, transfer operation, or only view and edit. Use choice. So, under Chennai, I have created a Tambaram. Now, who are the members of this Tambaram? SN users. You specify which users should be the members of this Tambaram. I added, these are the members of Tambaram. Now, which records will be there in this Tambaram? Manually assign or apply a rule. Do you want to assign manually or you want to apply a rule? I told. Right now, I am assigning manually. Or else you can also give based on the rule. So, these are the records of this territory. These are the users of this territory. These users can see these records, perform read, edit, delete, transfer on these accounts. Now, you want to apply any rule? Industry rule. I am giving industry. Industry equal to education. I gave a rule. Get me all the account records. Whose industry is? Get me all the records. Whose industry is? Whose industry is education. So automatically we are going to get those records. Right? If any records are pending, they will be shown here. I can add them. Okay. Now territory models. So what was this? I hope you got my point. Now I added the members to the territory and I added the users to the territory. So again, go back to the view hierarchy. So we added Tambaram. Under Tambaram, I want to create one more territory. So I want to create a child territory. Chromepet. Now we got again. You want to create a child territory. Under this we have Kalangatur. So Now we created a regions here. So we had a South Indian territory. Under the South Indian territory we have Chennai. Under the Chennai we had Tambaram. Under the Tambaram we had Krompet. Under the Krompet we have Pelangattur. Right. This is what hierarchy. Now members of the Chennai, they can see the Tambaram, Krompet and Pelangattur. Members of the Krompet can see this. Members of Pelangattur can see the records of Pelangattur. So it is also role hierarchy only, but the role hierarchy based on territory. That is a role hierarchy. This is territory hierarchy. Members of this territory can access the records of this territory. Okay. When you are going for a mass sale, territory management will be there always. Mass sale in terms of, I told you, insurance or other sectors. I hope you are good with this. Clear? Clear for everyone? Clear for everyone? So finally, record level access is coming in how many ways? Tell me. First, always first OWD. OWD specifies minimum. The next goes to profile and permission set. That is for view all, modify all, view all data, modify all data. Now if you want, and we also have role hierarchy. So OWD, role hierarchy, profile and permission set. Then we are going for sharing rules. Right? In the sharing rules, two are automated. One is manual, other one is Apex. What is the automated? Owner based, creditor based. Why I am calling this as automated? As I keep on adding the records, automatically they will be shared. Manual means particular record we are sharing. Apex is programmatically. Then apart from that, what are the other things we had? Teams, account teams and opportunity teams. Then followed by we had territory based sharing. So these are the possible ways of sharing a record in the entire CRM. I hope every concept is clear. Right? So OWD, role hierarchy, profile and permission set, view all data, modify all data, view all, modify all. What is the difference between view all data and view all? View all data is defined on entire database for a profile. View all is defined on object. Okay. Then opportunity team and your account team. We can also define case team. That is, this group of people are handling this case. Now a service request came, boss. My car got damaged. Now service request came. Now in that, some engine has to be modified. Denting should be done. Tires has to be modified. Then in that case, what happened? Tire team is different, denting team is different, and engine team is different. Those three people are combined together and link it. Now else, I purchased a product from you. You are selling a software. I purchased a product from you. Now there are three modules. HR module, payroll module, and other one is sales. Now payroll module is handled by a separate team, HR module is handled by a separate team, and sales is handled by a separate team. In this application, I am getting a bug from these three modules. Then what happened? Payroll team will work on payroll issue, HR team will work on HR issue, and sales team will work on sales issue. Now all these three people together are working on the case to resolve the issue. Are you getting my point? Now Oracle is their product. Oracle company is there. Oracle is selling multiple products. Now from Oracle company, I purchased a Oracle ADF product. In that Oracle ADF product, when I purchased, they gave me three different modules. Now in the Oracle team, support team for every module will be different. A single team will not be there for as a overall support, because it's a product-based company. For every module product implementation, there's a separate team. Mobile implementation, separate team. Tab implementation, separate team. And your regular application, separate team. When I'm getting an issue on three modules, I will raise the complaint. That is handled by three different modules. Depends upon a single team may handle or multiple. In case if a multiple team want to handle it, that is what? Group of people are combined together working on this submit. Are you getting my point? A team of users. I hope you are good with this. What are the extra rules we have seen? Teams and territories. These are the extra things what we have seen. Right, Amma? Everyone has followed this? Right. Finally, you tell me, if you are sharing a record, what is the maximum operation we can perform? Read and edit. If you want to delete, you have to go for modify. Role hierarchy will give you delete permission. Okay, territories also will give you delete permission. But territories will work for only accounts. Teams will work for only particular object. But generally, permissions are OWD, role hierarchy, profile permission set, sharing rule. These are for every object. Teams are only for account and opposite and case. Territory is for only accounts. So general permission is for all objects. What are the general permissions? OWD, role hierarchy. Then we had profile permission set. I hope you're good. That's all from my end.